Hello guys, it's Marcus and Michael, and today we are going to we're going to Smith buy new Hot Wheels garage or Hot Wheels truck for Michael. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So stay tuned and let's do it. Alright guys, so we're going to Smith right now. Let's have a look what we can find for Michael, the new garage or truck, and maybe some new premium as well. So let's have a look. Ooh. And turn right or left. Okay, Michael, look. We have, yeah, but this is small one. Look, it's here, but it's like that. Or we go for Hot Wheels section. Let's go for Hot Wheels section, Michael, and we have a look the other one. Yeah, this way, Michael. Michael, look at this one. It's dinosaur. You like this one? Yeah, poopy.
Yes, it's
What do you think about this with dino?
Dino, take this down and take to Poopy. Yeah.
We have the Mario Kart, any other, or
Oh, we have this one.
yeah, we have the Mario Kart. So we have the Mario Kart. We have this one. We have this one. We have this one. So plenty of them, Michael, to be honest, you have right now. There is some nice cars, some premium cars. Yeah, full set.
Whoa.
But, so what do you think? We take this one, Michael? Yeah? Are you happy? It's heavy? Whoa. So we take this one?
Yeah, now we can take a horse.
Yeah?
Now we can take a horse.
And you want to take another cars? Michael, look, you got 2 cars including this set.
And look, this car.
These 5 action cars. No, Michael. We sorted out this in the minute. Okay, let's have a look some premium cars. Someone asked about the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradiel. There's plenty of them still in Smith, so very easy to buy and full set anyway.